indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located 10 miles north of Netarts Bay and was moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Other locations the severe thunderstorm will be near include Tillamook, Rockaway Beach, Pacific City, and Manzanita. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and every cloud-to-ground lightning. People are